Hi there, Chris here. I have another American lock, a round one. It's a tall shackle round one. It has a cool little number on the back, M423C. There is the bitting on the key. These are key retaining. It works really nicely. Did we get that? Let's do that again. Works so nice. It is, like I say, it's key retaining, so once it's open, you can't pull out the key until you lock it again. You lock it up, and then you can pull out the key. So let me see if we can pick this. Top of the keyway. Fairly light tension. I'll just use this Sparrow's hook. Not sure which one this is. It's kind of a cool Sparrow's pick though. Let me try and get in the frame here. All right. Little click on one. Maybe a click on two. Using light tension. Hit 3 and got a little bit of a false set, little bit of the cord turn. Nothing on 4. At 5. Nothing on 5. Coming back. Actually, let's start the front again. Nothing happening on 1. 2 maybe set. 1 maybe set. 2. I believe 3 is set. That's when we got that false set. I think I'm getting a little counter on 4. See if I can get on it. Ooh, overset 4. Let's see if I can get it to drop down. Oh, hit 2, got back into my false set. Nothing on 3. Little counter on 4, and we have it open. All right. I do really like these American locks. They're very cool. I will lock it back up, trying to pivot it with the key. One of the things, if you pick these and happen to rotate it the wrong way, which is easy to do because it's round, you sort of lose your orientation. It'll get stuck, and it'll get stuck in, I think there's a key retaining little pin or something that if you go the wrong way, which I won't do, but you can see a little pin sticking up through these bottom holes. If you think about American cores, do I have one? Yeah, here's one. They have those little bottom holes. And a couple pins will stick in here. So you kind of have to pick those and rotate the core, and you get it halfway done. And then you have to pick it again, and finally you can get it free. But it's not cool when you think you've screwed up one of these nice locks. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section. Hit the like button, and we'll see you next time.